Have you seen a better looking gaming chair? This is the Noblechairs DAWN TX Granite model with a futuristic backrest, simple yet awesome design, and above all, super comfort without too much stuff to distract you. Looking for affordable Windows or Office keys? Look no further, I got you covered. Head over to scdkey.com, pick your Windows edition, use my discount code LE25 to get a 25% on any Windows or Office products. Once you complete your order, after a few seconds you will receive your code. In Windows, go to Settings, there should be an Activate Windows prompt at the bottom. Click that, enter your code and wait for Windows to finish activation. To check the activation status, use the command prompt with the command slmgr.vbs/xpr and you should receive a notification that the machine is permanently activated. Once again, use code LE25 at scdkey.com. The assembly of this chair is super easy as with any other chair. Put wheels on the base, attach the gas spring to the base, put the seat part on it, attach the backrest and armrests and enjoy yourself. The best way to describe this chair would be the German engineering meets Italian design and fused together. So you know you are getting quality and simplicity from it while having a futuristic look, of course. I mean, look at the backrest alone. It goes so well, especially if you have some cool wall panels like I have in the background, so it just blends there awesomely. Model I have here is the DAWN TX Granite, which is a fabric material, but the fabric on it is not stiff at all. It is super soft, almost silky to the touch. The comfort is of course guaranteed here, there is no doubt about that. The backrest is wider in the shoulder area, but this widening is not like on the traditional bucket seat chairs. It is comfy, doesn't make you lean forward, causing shoulder fatigue and something like that. Nope, none of that. You can even lean back and still be comfortable in it. There is a Noblechairs logo on the headrest part, while the back part, where you would lean your back, has some cool diamond patterns on it, which at the same time gives it separation from other parts, so it doesn't look boring from this view, since the back view is amazing. The DAWN TX features built-in lumbar support for customized lower back alignment, promoting natural spinal posture and reducing fatigue. Designed for long hours of gaming or work, this ergonomic addition helps minimize strain and enhance your comfort. There is a rear-mounted slider on the backrest, which enables quick and precise adjustments, letting users fine-tune support to match their seating preferences, whether it is gaming, working, or simply unwinding. The chair is designed with foldable armrests for enhanced versatility, so whether you are working in a compact space or a spacious setup, the armrests effortlessly fold away, adapting to your needs. Even when tucked away, a smaller support pad remains in place to provide continuous arm comfort. They are texturized and soft as well. There are no other movements here except up or down, which I find awesome. There are no accidental movements like on the other chairs. You might find this a deal breaker. I find that simplicity and ease of use here wins by a mile. It is equipped with a weight-activated synchronized mechanism that ensures smooth, adaptive reclining, seamlessly adjusting to the user's movements. This smart feature helps alleviate lower spine pressure. It promotes better posture and enhances comfort during extended sitting sessions. The tilt tension of the backrest can be only locked using a lever on the left side. It is on the bottom left side. On the right side, there is a lever for lifting up or lifting down. It supports up to 110 kilos of weight, since the chair itself is somewhat smaller in size. I will leave a picture on the screen with the complete dimensions of the chair. The seat is perfectly positioned, it doesn't put any strain on the thighs, the depth is perfect, the width as well, and it is soft all around, plus you can sit here cross-legged as well and there will be no strain on your legs. The wheels are somewhat plastic, but on the hardwood floor they work nice since the plastic is soft, the base is also made from plastic, it's a sturdy plastic. So there you go, no fancy stuff that will bother you, just the simplicity, great looks and comfort. There are no 20 levers and adjustments in 17 dimensions, nothing of that. It is simple and effective. The chair's textile is of exceptional quality, similar to the fabrics used by luxury sports cars. The diamond pattern on the backside of the backrest and throughout all the chair, the design is flawlessly executed. The cushioning offers a soft, almost silky feel even after prolonged sitting without ever sweating. The only thing that I notice here that is not done correctly is the glue that spilled on the backrest at the back. I mean, you can see that certain light conditions, not a deal breaker, but if you price this chair at $500 US, customers should expect flawless execution. This is a little deal breaker, maybe this is only on my unit. Overall, the chair is built great. The simplicity and effectiveness is the key here, and this is where this chair delivers 110%. It is also light, you can move it around with ease, the comfort is epic, you can lean back and put legs on the desk for a movie sessions. You can of course game in it for hours, seriously, I have no remarks there. It is mostly made from durable, sturdy plastic, this is why it is so light, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna break or something like that. On the contrary, it feels premium. So if you like futuristic chairs, if you value comfort in the first place, but you need a chair that is simple to use, DAWN TX represents an awesome choice. I honestly thought at first that the armrests that are mostly static would bother me, but in fact I started to appreciate that they stay where they are. So having them go in all directions, but moving them unintentionally with accidental movement like this of your arm like on the other chairs is actually not a cool thing. This is why the Noblechairs aimed at a more simplistic approach here. The silky soft fabric and the premium design of it just complements the cool looking futuristic backrest. So there you go. Thanks for watching guys, sub to the channel, like and share the video, and I'll see you in another one. If you have any questions about a chair, feel free to leave them in the comments. See ya.